Namaste, my friends. Welcome to our exploration of spiritual healing, a sacred journey into the very essence of your being. Today we'll uncover 5 prominent types of spiritual healing and their applications. Remember, healing is not just the absence of disease, it is a state of complete well-being, physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. Let us begin. Our physical bodies are intricate tapestries woven into the fabric of our being. Energy healing, like Reiki and pranic healing, acknowledges this interconnectedness. Visualize the ancient practice of yoga, a sacred dance between breath, movement, and mindfulness. Yoga is not just a workout, it is a spiritual practice that brings balance and vitality to your entire being. Embrace these practices and witness the transformative power they hold. Our emotional landscape is a tapestry woven with threads of joy, sorrow, love, and loss. Inner child work guides us to revisit our younger selves with compassion and understanding. Meditation, particularly mindfulness meditation, allows us to observe our emotions without judgment. With each breath, you create space for healing, allowing yourself to experience the full spectrum of human emotions. As you embrace these practices, you cultivate emotional resilience, allowing yourself to experience the present moment with greater clarity, peace, and joy. Transforming thoughts, transforming reality, mental healing. Negative thought patterns and limiting beliefs can cloud our perception, leading to anxiety and stress. Cognitive behavioral techniques offer practical tools for identifying and transforming these unhelpful thought patterns. Visualization harnesses the power of the mind to create positive change. By cultivating a positive and compassionate inner dialogue, you create the fertile ground for mental and emotional well-being to flourish. Connecting with the divine spiritual healing. Spiritual healing delves into the depths of our souls, connecting us to something greater than ourselves. Shamanic healing involves journeying into altered states of consciousness to access spiritual realms. Prayer and affirmations harness the power of intention and faith. Explore different practices, connect with your intuition, and find what resonates with your soul. As you deepen your connection to the divine, you open yourself to a wellspring of love, healing, and infinite possibilities. Embracing wholeness, holistic healing. Holistic healing recognizes the interconnectedness of all aspects of our being, physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. Ecotherapy emphasizes the healing power of nature. Sound healing utilizes sound frequencies to harmonize the body's energy systems. Sound has the power to bypass the thinking mind and access deeper states of consciousness, promoting relaxation and restoring balance. Embrace practices that nourish your mind, body, and soul, and witness the transformative power of holistic healing. Outro your journey to well-being. Each type of spiritual healing offers unique benefits and techniques that can be tailored to individual needs. By exploring these methods, you can find pathways to enhance your physical health, emotional stability, mental clarity, spiritual connection, and overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey of spiritual healing. Namaste.